Hello everyone, back in the Moto Twins Garage channel. So we continue to work on with the Yamaha R1. So still this will be the part 4. So still need to do a few things with the bike. So what we're gonna do today, so still need to put on a few things like we have new turn signals. Finally I received the left side clip-on. So we need to put both sides, both fairings on and a few other stuff. So let's start working on with the Yamaha, and I think today the bike will be ready. So let's go. We have turn signal here, so let's try to put the turn signal in the fairing. So we put those brackets here. The bracket is too small for this turn signal, so I need to drill the hole there. Let's do that. Alright, so I think this will work. Yep. So now it's fit. Second try. Excellent. See. Alright, so looks good. So let's install the fairing now. Alright, so one side is finished. One side is finished. Let's move on with the other side. Alright, so let's put the other thing on. Alright, I'll go do this side, the other side. Oh yes, we have blinkers. Okay, let's move on. Alright, so other side is done as well. Bottom fairing is done, so few other things. Now I need to put the sides on. I don't know how it's called, the fairing insides, and this one as well. So let's put those things on, and then let's change the other side, the clip-on. So let's go. Those Yamaha screws are really good, like those ones. There's just one click and it's already fitted. Like, what next? Let's put those things inside. Those are inside plastics or something like that. That's it. Let's try the other side. Alright, so where we are, the bike already looks really good. So I need to change the clip-on. So here I have a new one. Now I need to take off the switch, take off the clutch lever, and then try to screw this thing, and let's change the clip-on. Let's do that. Alright, funny thing, the damper is attached to the clip-on as well, so as you can see, here is the damper, so I need to screw the damper down as well. Oh my god, it's so complicated just to remove one clip-on, so... Ooh, finally. Well, there's the bracket for the damper as well, so it's so complicated. So basically everything is ready. I don't have the mirrors, I'm still waiting for them. Like after 2 weeks I will get them, but everything else is ready. So I will just clean the bike, move out the bike, and then you will see how it looks. Capri, hello. that's it with the Yamaha R1. As you can see, everything is ready, so now the bike waiting for the spring. Still need to wait like 2 months when we will be able to ride. So yeah, I think this was the really good project. If you want to know something about this project, like about the prices or something else, so you can easily write in the comments and I will answer them. So thank you for watching and see you next time.